Hello, and welcome to day 4, Thursday, December 17th. Let's see what we have to do for today. First, you'll watch this video, then you'll click Async. You have two activities today in Async. The first one is formal and informal discussions. So you did a Nearpod about informal and formal writing, and you're going to look at a scenario and write and make a formal and an informal response. So here you have your scenario. You are going, you are asking to meet and discuss something important. So the formal, talking to your supervisor in person, what would you say to your supervisor? And informal, texting a friend. Okay, that's what you will post. Here is an example. So I have the scenario. Someone gave you some good advice the other day, but you can't remember what they said. So the informal is calling a close relative. What would you say to your close family member? Here is your response. Now, if you're emailing your doctor, how would you respond the same way to your mom? Would you ask the same way you did your mom? No, you would send a formal email to the doctor, and this is your example. So you're going to do the same in the box with the scenario. You are asking to meet and discuss something important. Okay? All right. And your second activity is in the textbook. You will complete page 78, parts 1 and 2. Take a picture and upload it when you are done. All right, and that's it for async. For sync, it's Thursday on Zoom. We are going to do pitch practice. The pitch is explaining to someone what your um, claim and the evidence you have. All right, and so that's what you're going to do here. And then you're going to your claim and your evidence, and then the person who you will be saying these your who you will be pitching to, we call it a pitch, will give you some feedback. Okay, and that's it. Good luck.